Tired of overspending? Sick of those pesky subscription fees eating away at your hard-earned cash? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to keep track of our finances, and that's where apps like Rocket Money come in. But here's the burning question: does Rocket Money actually take money out of your account? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. What Rocket Money is and how it works. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that aims to help users save money by identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating lower bills, and tracking spending. Here's how it generally works. Connect your accounts. You link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to the Rocket Money app. Subscription tracking. The app scans your transactions to identify recurring charges, such as streaming services, gym memberships, and software subscriptions. Cancellation assistance. If you have a subscription you no longer want, Rocket Money can often cancel it for you with a few taps. Bill negotiation. The app can also help you negotiate lower rates on bills like internet, phone, and even insurance. Spending tracking. Rocket Money provides insights into your spending habits, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back. Now, let's address the main question: does Rocket Money actually take money out of your account? The short answer is no. Rocket Money itself does not directly deduct any funds from your accounts. Cancellation. When you cancel a subscription through Rocket Money, the cancellation request is typically sent to the subscription provider. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money acts as a mediator between you and the service provider. If a successful negotiation results in a lower bill, the change is reflected on your next invoice from the provider. While Rocket Money doesn't directly withdraw funds from your accounts, it's important to be aware of potential fees associated with using the app. Rocket Money Premium. Rocket Money offers a premium subscription with enhanced features, such as credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and personalized financial advice. This usually comes with a monthly or annual fee. Third-party fees. Some features may involve interactions with third-party providers, which may have their own fees. For example, if Rocket Money helps you negotiate a lower interest rate on a credit card, the credit card company may have its own fees associated with balance transfers. The pros and cons of using Rocket Money. Pros. Save money. By identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating lower bills, and tracking spending, Rocket Money can help you save significant amounts of money over time. Easy to use. The app is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and utilize its features. Time-saving. Automating the process of canceling subscriptions and negotiating bills can save you considerable time and effort. Improved financial awareness. By tracking your spending, Rocket Money can help you gain a better understanding of your financial habits and identify areas for improvement. Cons. Limited success. While Rocket Money can be effective, it's not a guaranteed solution for every situation. Success rates for bill negotiation can vary depending on the provider and the specific circumstances. Potential for human error. While the app automates many tasks, it's still important to review the information provided by Rocket Money and ensure accuracy. Premium subscription costs. The premium subscription can add to your monthly expenses. To maximize your use of Rocket Money and increase your chances of success, review your subscriptions regularly. Regularly check the app for new subscriptions and review existing ones to ensure they are still necessary. Be proactive. Don't wait for Rocket Money to identify issues. Take the initiative to explore the app's features and actively look for ways to save money. Be patient. Negotiating lower bills can take time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Read the fine print. Carefully review any agreements or terms and conditions associated with using Rocket Money and any third-party services. Some users may be hesitant to link their financial accounts to a third-party app due to privacy concerns. Data security. Rocket Money employs industry-standard security measures to protect user data, such as encryption and multi-factor authentication. Data privacy. Rocket Money adheres to data privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA, to ensure user data is handled responsibly. In summary, Rocket Money itself does not take money out of your account. It's a financial tool that can help you save money by identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating lower bills, and tracking your spending. If you're looking for ways to save money and improve your financial health, Rocket Money could be a valuable tool for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.